Focus. Distraction. We are professionals. So you focus. Don't look there. Focus. Fingers to this. There. That's distraction. Boss. Wait till the esprit de corps. Esprit which call? Eh? Now police they use esprit de corps. To esprit de corps. Which esprit which call?
Sorry.
Hey, young man. Crawl back here. Come here.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Say resemble Barnabas we deny Jesus.
Now wait, we can do with that one. You misbehave. Be professional. Hey, come here. Crawl back.
Why you here? You don't forget to Bible talk. Say I will come like a thief in the night.
Be professional. You know us? Introduction again.
Sorry.
You don't know us.
I don't know. You will not know us.
You cannot know us.
Give me your phone. What's happening now?
You want if I voted? I voted when you get cloud.
What's in the cloud?
Cloud, they need say anyway when you go as old, say cloud did it. They will catch you.
No, catch me. No.
Then compose. Follow my lead. Now, give us all the money you have.
All the money wey dey your pocket.
Money you have.
For my pocket.
Not the money in your pocket. So you see you. If you say in your pocket, you know whether all your money. How much should be in your pocket?
Sorry, all the money in your life.
Yes, all the money in your life, all the money you have made.
I don't get money for my life. All my life. I never make money before for this life.
And you did this kind of house.
Now my wife, Papa will have.
She's supposed to slap you. Why they like give us?
Who is in charge of this operation? You. Follow my lead. You should see my partner do the best.
You don't know me. Nobody they come from my twig. For this area, they fear me.
Don't follow my lead. Now, we will not warn you again. Abi, do you want to warn him again?
No.
Give us all the money you have
in your life.
I don't get. You know, day.
I don't invest.
I don't feel life for you now. You know, day. If I never chop.
This guy don't get money.
We can't go empty-handed. Can't give me your balls.
Ah! Jesus!
Balls. We won't just go like that now. You see, you don't get money. We'll come tomorrow. Ah.
Just take go. Tomorrow we'll come back. If you get money tomorrow, more they go.
He get provision! He get provision! I go choke your eye. You go choke your eye and I go choke your mouth. He get provision! Hey, collect me! No, please!
Bros, let me drop down. I'm going to chop this night now.
I'll beat everybody.
Now whip you like off.
Provision. He get provision!
And you say you don't have money. Modern economy, you get money by provision. How much you don't go for provision?
You don't know.
If you buy provision, you get money.
You be canayo.
You don't I do ritual.
Ritualist.
I don't invest. You lied to us.
Leave and that's what they do. More they go, like Mohammed.
You no go tell her. What happened to us for road?
Ain't not true.
Calm down, tell her, make it no go vex.
Bros, I don't fear you.
Me said not they fear you.
I be thief, oh.
You know now.
Sorry. You be thief. But
Next time, you go tell me sorry in silence. As you tell him sorry, you dey tell him say sorry. You dey fear him.
I dey fear you.
I dey fear you too.
But the thing is, say, where will they come for your junction? You say night don't come.
I don't come.
So some robbers rob our gun. Give us
this one.
So now swap they swap.
Robbers, robbers. How?
Robbers they get greed. They get greed. You know?
They get great. So they give us this one. They collect our real gun. So they can't give us. We try.
Life they say is more than money.
Many money is more than life. Oh.
Before you let them shoot you now. No mind that, Jerry. So the main point be say night don't come. And it not go good. May we rob.
Okay.
They can't see robbers.
Sorry, sir. Okay, you guys are robbers. And another robbers rob now.
Yes.
So now night don't come.
Okay.
If I'm getting clearly, night don't come. Now no one go outside.
Yes. They no rob us.
As robbers when I been, they fear to go outside.
Yes. Bros, man, so one question. How you go feel say waiting will rob
They
you?
can't rob us.
No, that's a total loss.
Good.
Why waiting I work for? Una can't rob am. Waiting una can't work for. Another person can't rob am.
It don't make sense.
No.
No.
So early morning tomorrow we don't come out.
By 9 o'clock a.m. we don't go. Okay.
9 o'clock now.
I feel leave the room for now, but she una like this place, abi?
Yes.
This place una you do.
Yes.
No na there na.
Which side do you want sleep?
Me I fit dey with my wife outside. Me una enjoy the.
That girl they shake me ash.
Why you don't? So you don't look my wife. But me una still dey.
I carry your iPhone 13 o. Me carry am.
Aye ìbàjẹ́.
Yes o. Yes.
Tita.
Abi.
And you know that that's day. Men dey enjoy.
Yes.
Very wrong. Bro, so now good. In fact, if they do me like say me I pray for now.
Pray for
Kò dẹ̀ ní dá fún yín. Ilé yín máa wó ni. Tí yẹn rú ni sẹ́.
No, as you still dey pray am.
Na the way they dey pray for our church, they say even they say make we dey use all those actions.
Make command dey the prayer. Ew. I like all these kind of people. Pray more.
Ẹ máa pẹ́ lẹ́wọ̀. May I sleep. May I rest.
I like this guy. See, these kind of people, if you rob them for worry, you go be happy. No be those ones wey you rob, they go come. Wetin dey happen?
He dey not be good.
I dey hear. What up?
Isaac! Mommy, don't tell my money you don't lock me, Isaac. Mommy, bros, abeg. Bros, abeg.
Wait! Say your brother dey that police station. We don't book room for police station.
What up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. Please, this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Subscription is free. You understand? Just click on the red button, turn on the bell notification, and that's all. You will receive more videos from us. God bless you. Please subscribe.